Hey, this is Frank. We're looking at the rear of the 2011 Hyundai Tucson, known in some markets as the iX35. But this video is of interest to the owner of any contemporary passenger car or SUV. The topic is the spare tire, and the spare tire is usually accessed through the rear hatch, and it is something that most people do not give even a second thought. But let's take a little bit closer look at this. The recommended inflation pressure of this spare tire is marked on the sidewall, and like most of these so-called donut tires, is a very high pressure, much higher than the regular tires pressure. For this one, it is 60 psi. I will bet you dollars to donuts that if you have not checked the tire pressure of your spare tire recently, it is nowhere close to the recommended pressure. This means that if you do get a flat tire and you pull out this spare tire, it'll be just as bad as your flat tire. The other thing you want to check with your spare tire is the DOT date, and it is on this plaque on the sidewall of the tire. You can see the numbers 1510. These stand for the 15th week of 2010. This means that on this date today, this tire is 13 years old. The useful life of a tire is 5 years. After that, it should be discarded. So this tire is not roadworthy, even if inflated to the correct pressure. Once you put it on the car, it could just fall apart once you start driving with it. These tires come in unusual sizes that most tire stores will not stock. For example, this one is a 155 width with a 90 sidewall on a 16-inch rim. But fortunately, you can find these tires at online sources, and you can purchase one, have it delivered to you, and ask your local tire shop to install it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.